Alright, my brother got a 1986 Goldwing. His last bike was a 1976. He got this 86 for $300 to $500. No big deal to have that discussion. But he's got another guy that knows how to work on these. But I'm pretty good at working on this body shit. See how this shit is totally fucked up. And this top is totally wrecked. Broken off the lid. I've got the lid on the front porch, but I haven't interested in trying to fix that with the plastic weld. Maybe I could glue that, but I'll bet we can find it on eBay. The seat's totally fucked, but I can't fix it. This one's the same thing, so we got to find a old one and go from there. I think it's pretty cool for options. See if I can come up with some things to help modifying this crap. There's a guy online on YouTube that got one from an 82 and he bobbered it. Yeah, I'm not really into that. I'm just trying to look at wanting to taking apart all this stuff back here where maybe possibly I can work on it, or we can search for used parts on eBay. The only thing I can't figure out is none of these disc brakes on the front have holes through them, so I can't put a wheel lock on it like I do with Barbie. You know, that subject. But 2012, 1986, that's pretty not happening. In here is the CB radio, and this plugs into a helmet. I don't know if he has the helmet for that. And the dash is fucked up. The guy rolled the fucking bike. I don't know how he survived it. But it's a 1200. There's still mud on this fucker from when the guy rolled it. So I just keep looking at what I can do to help and fix see, the whole thing's fucked up. I can't even open that, so that whole top box this whole top box have to come apart. But possibly I can kind of help fix some of this stuff. Bolts, I want to keep those in there. Come back here and look at it, and it's amazing how bad it is. But like I said, see, this thing's it won't pull the lid down. But I think I can help think with this, even with my brain problem. But this kind of stuff I can figure it. I can even look it up online on YouTube, and I watch it. I understand everything. Look at that. Totally smashed this side when he rolled it. There you go, 83,890 or 89.2 miles on this. We turn the key on, fuel doesn't work. Not much else works on it, so I think that's electronics, but that's not me. Look at that. It even takes cassettes. Pretty amazing. But to tell you the truth, none of these dirt bags around here are going to try and steal it. Oh, this is the other thing. I keep researching to figure out how to take this off to fix it. There's a screw for the side, a screw for the side, a screw for the side, and a screw for the side. But to get to this bottom, I've been Lenawaki. He did that with one of his bikes. He pried up under or something to get to the two screws down at the bottom. I don't think I'm willing to do that. So I keep looking online to attempt to look up how to get to this. See, this one's covered. I go to this side. There's nothing there really to tell me how to get it off. Lens covers, yeah, whatever. I guess this is a vent. Looks like this one. So just have to eBay hunting parts and see what we come up with. Mechanically, I can work on. Engine, no. Body bullshit, I can work on. But I don't think this is savable. And no way in hell I can repair with a sweet seat cover unless it was a bench seat. That I could do, but I don't know. So, good subject. We'll talk to you later.